Foshan Leabon Machinery Company Limited is one of the benchmarking enterprise in China woodworking machinery industry, specializing in the production of edge banding machine and export quality partners machines such as wood planer machine, vacuum membrane press, multi-drilling machine, wood cutting saw, sliding table saw, also CNC panel saw, wood sander machine, hot and cold press machine etc. machines for panel and solid wood processing industry. With national import and export qualification, Leabon has exported woodworking machines to more than 40 countries and widely acknowledged by many carpentry machine dealers and panel, furniture factories in the world. Against market production demand, Leabon and our partners developed many new machines such as incline/straight edge banding machine, high-speed log cutting carriage system, CNC door production center etc. equipment. Now they are popular in woodworking machine industry and helped a lot of customers solve their production difficulties and improve the production efficiency. For Leabon team, signing order is just the beginning but not the end. We value customers' feedback on our products and services to create and develop more efficient and higher quality products through long-term cooperation with customers. Foshan Leabon Machinery Company Limited. Located at Lunjiao, Foshan, Manufacturing Center of China Woodworking Machine, based on own production basis. Top engineering team, rich machine manufacturers data and aggressive export sales team. Leabon aim to offer customer most effective, most affordable, most efficient woodworking machine one-stop purchasing and after-sales solution. Leabon, where quality is the tradition.